Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. In this short tutorial video, I want to share with you how you can remove the page title that is persistently appearing on every page if you are using the latest 2025 theme from the official WordPress CMS. Okay, so this is my homepage I created in 2025 theme. You will see that is my homepage, but there's a home wording over here. And when I go to about us, there's also a about us wording here. So what if I don't want this page title to appear on every page? So what can you do? So I'm going to teach you how to do so. So what you can do is that you need to go to the WordPress dashboard and go to pages, then click on home. So we are going to edit this home page. So an easy way is that once you come into your home page, make sure the panel is activated over here, the side panel, click on here so that you can see the page attribute. So under page attribute, you can see that there's one selection called template option. So currently it's using the template called pages. And pages template always come with a feature image and always comes with a title. So you do not want to use these pages template. So just click on these pages and click swap template. And there is a template, there is no page title. So just click on this one. Okay. So it will change to page no title and then click save. And do this again for the other pages, which is about us. Again, go to click on these pages and click swap template and choose page no title and then click save. After that, go back to your website again and you can see that the title disappear, the home disappear. And when I click on about us, and there's no about us here anymore. Okay, so that's how you change the template to using no title template. So I hope that you find this tutorial useful. If you need any help or assistance with the 2025 theme, feel free to post in the comments area below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.